I'm gonna make sourdough, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Because I don't do it. I don't know. Maybe I'm a rebel. I don't know. Why is there a little nap in here? Okay. So I have 4 starters, and I overhydrated them this weekend, or this week, because of the cold. So they're about that thick. So I'm gonna take about this much out of that one. It should be like pancake batter. About that much out of that one. Oh, maybe a little more. It's a little full. And this one. And these were fed a couple days ago. Juice? Okay, hang on. Okay, so there's probably a cup in here. Stir it up real good. It kind of looks like that. And then I have some water. We're probably gonna try and make 2 loaves of bread today. That was like 3/4 of a cup. This thing is the greatest thing ever. And you make sure you get it all mixed up. Like sourdough. But I don't, I'm baking this in like 2 hours. 3 hours. I also put a bit of salt, some salt and sugar. That was maybe like half a tablespoon. And the salt is here. A little more. And then I start adding the flour. And I just add it until it makes like a shaggy dough. And it's still gonna be a bit sticky. Like you're not looking for a smooth, like if you're making regular bread, I'm not looking for that. Your juice is in your chair, bud. It's right beside you. Oh, I forgot to turn the oven on. So I put the oven on just to preheat for 3 minutes, and I'm gonna turn it off. This is what it looks like right now. Did you find your juice? I put olive oil on my hands so it won't stick to me so much. kind of like this, but I want a little more dough because I'm gonna try to make 2. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. So I guess that would be like a cup total. And then some flour. Okay. What are you doing, bud? Okay. Go get your juice. Somebody may not make it through the day. Let me use this slice. Okay, so this is what we end up with. And stretch it a few times. See how it's shaggy? Got little pieces falling off. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this bowl with some olive oil. And then we're gonna stick it in the oven to rise because it's warm in there and my house is freezing. All right. So it's been rising for an hour. So I'm going to fix everything. This is parchment paper that I got wet. I'm gonna stick them in our banneton. And it's probably doubled in size. So this is how I do it. So my stretch and fold, stretch, 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 stretch. And then I'm gonna break these in 2. So here we go. And a lot of people put flour. I don't like it. I like a crust, but I don't like it. There's flour on everything, so I just boop, 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 boop. Let's get that there. And then pull this one out. When you see it, it comes out the bowl good. I'm trying to just tighten it up a little bit. And you just kind of, one more time. So I feel like I got it pretty tight. So here's this one. Here's this one. A little olive oil on top. And then we're going to put these back in the oven to rise until they're done, and then we bake them.